Hello, dear Aquarius. A very good morning to you guys. So this is a general reading from 1st of May till 10th of May. So I'll check your partner's current energy, your current energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from them till 10th of May. Okay. So let's see, Aquarius, your partner's current energy. So Aquarius, your partner's current energy is. Shuffling is very important, guys. Otherwise, the readings will be very cloudy or doesn't make sense. Okay, so let's see. The Wheel of Fortune. I feel like Aquarius, your partner right now is leaving everything on destiny. They are feeling like I am not going to do anything from my side. Whatever will happen according to the destiny, according to the universe. So whatever universe will provide me, whatever universe will give me, I will just take it. I will just, I'll just stick to that decision of the universe. So I feel like this person is tired now. This person was doing lots of stuff from their side. They were taking lots of initiatives, or they were doing lot from their side. They were putting in so much efforts from their side, and now they are feeling like, okay, that's it. I'm not going to do anything from my side now. Destiny will decide now. Universe will decide now what will be the outcome or what will be the future of this particular connection. Okay, let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune, their energy. Okay, the Eight of Wands in reverse, the Three of Cups, and the Lovers. Yes, communication is blocked. I feel like there's some kind of blockage in their communication. They want to reconciliate. They want to, tell you that they love you. They want you in their life, Aquarius. But there's blockage in the communication, and that is why they are leaving everything on destiny. They are leaving everything on the universe, on the higher power. So I feel like either you blocked them or they blocked you, or there's some kind of miscommunication going on maybe, or there's lack of communication. There's no communication at all might be. Okay, so but their inner feelings are to reconciliate with you and to start all over again, because they have lots of feelings for you, Aquarius. This person feels love towards you, attraction towards you. They have genuine feelings for you. You could be dealing with the Gemini, because the Lovers is the Gemini card. So yeah, these are their feelings for you, these are their current feelings. Okay, these are their current energies, I can say. Okay, energies and feelings are the same thing, by the way. So let's see your current energy, Aquarius. What's your current energy? They want to reconcile, they want to talk to you, but there is a blockage in the communication, big time blockage in the communication. Okay, so let's see. Your current energy is the Hierophant. You could be a Taurus, okay, or you could be dealing with a Taurus. The Hierophant is the energy of the Taurus. So you want things to turn into a traditional way, or you want a long-term commitment or marriage, or some type of words or promise from this person in a very traditional way. So I feel like this person is not giving you the commitment maybe, or they are not providing you the sense of security that you want from this particular person, Aquarius, and that is why you are in this urge of making this connection, take to the next level, taking this connection to the next level, and want a commitment, a long term commitment from this particular person or connection. Okay, so you are seeking for some type of commitment from them, and might be that is why they're holding back, because right now they are not ready for this. Let's clarify the Hierophant. What kind of commitment, or why the Hierophant is here in your current energy? So the Moon, the Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, give me a second to analyze. So you have lots of subconscious fear regarding this person. You feel like you want to rush into a commitment, and you want to have a brand new beginning if they are giving you this commitment. Okay. So the Hierophant is clarified by the Moon, okay, and then the Knight of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. I feel like this is a big time earthy energy. You are Taurus, Capricorn, or Virgo. So Taurus, Capricorn. I don't remember all the art signs. So whatever it is, take it as it resonates. Okay. So don't go much into the science. go to the energy. So I feel like you have lots of subconscious fears regarding this particular person, and you want to rush into the brand new beginning, rush into a commitment, rush into an offer. And that is why you are feeling like this should go in a traditional way, this person should propose me, this person should give me a commitment, because you have lots of fears regarding this particular person. You might be fearing that this person will run away with somebody else, or they will go into some kind of commitment with somebody else, or they are seeing somebody else. You have lots of fears going on in your mind, Aquarius, regarding this particular person or situation, and that is why you want this person to commit as soon as possible. Okay, okay, let's see what's coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, so your person's current feelings for you. This what this person is feeling for you, Aquarius. This person's feelings for you. Three of Wands, turning your back to you, turning their back towards you, Aquarius. Sorry. So I feel like this person is right now not at all ready for any kind of commitment or long-term thing. Although they love you, although they are very, very physically attracted to you, emotionally attracted to you, but they are not in mood of commitment as of now. Okay. So they are turning their back towards you right now. They are making you feel like they are not interested in you at all, or they don't want to communicate, or they don't want to talk to you. But deep down, I feel like this person is waiting on you. This person is just waiting on you to talk to them, to have a communication with them, to have that open and honest communication. It is like they have done everything that they could do, and now they are waiting on you. Okay, they are just waiting on you to talk to them, to have a start a conversation, or whatever it is that they are just waiting on you. Okay, to start something from your side. Might be this conversation, or might be this whole scenario. They're just waiting for you. Okay, so let's clarify the three of wands, eight of swords, and nine of swords. Oh my god, and the page of swords. Oh, this person is going through hell lot of mental conflict, hell lot of stress, hell lot of anxiety, hell lot of ifs and buts, and they are just watching over you, they are just spying on you, they are just watching you on Facebook, Insta, and all that social sites. I don't know the names of all the sites. So whatever it is, they are just spying on you. They are very, very stressed for you. They are very, very conflicted because of you. They are feeling like, why the hell Aquarius is behaving like a child or like a kid? Why the hell they don't understand that this is not the right time to understand, to make the commitment or this thing? So whatever it is, right now they are feeling, they are making you feel like they are leaving you and they are turning their back, but they are waiting on you. This is the thing. They are just waiting on you to start the conversation, to start this communication again, because they are very, very stressed. They are not able to understand, they are not able to make any kind of decision, they are not confused about their feelings at all, Aquarius. To let me tell you one thing, they are not at all confused about their feelings. They are stressed, they are in anxiety, they are insomniac, they are not able to sleep, because they feel like right now they are not ready for the commitment thing. But you are this commitment thing, this commitment issue, or this fight of yours to have this commitment as soon as possible, is making them feel like hell, making them feel like they are in some kind of jail. Okay, and they are very, very anxious about this thing, and that is why they are turning their back. This is the story behind their feelings for you. That is why they are turning their back on you. That is why they are waiting for you only to start this conversation, or to start this connection all over again. There's love in this connection, there is happiness in this connection. Lack of commitment is there, and that is bothering you a lot, Aquarius. That is making you feel anxious, and this commitment thing is making them feel anxious. That is what is happening. That is the whole story. My god. So what they want from you, what they want from this connection in particular, Aquarius, let's see. Let's check out what they want from this connection. Happiness. All they want from this connection is happiness. The sun is here. So they want to live in the present. I feel like, Aquarius, this person is not in I feel like there's some kind of circumstances that are, that are making them holding back, that are making them feel like this jail right now. So all they want from this relationship or from you is happiness, because they see you as their happiness. I feel like this person feels very happy whenever they are with you, whenever they talk to you, whenever they have time to spend with you. So it is like All they want from this connection is happiness, the childlike happiness, the carefree happiness. It is like they want this relationship to be very very carefree right now, very very happy, like a kid. They don't want to stress out. They don't want any kind of stress from this particular connection right now. Let's clarify the sun. The sun is the happiest card in the deck, to be honest. Two of wands, death, and hanged man. I feel like behind the scenes they are going through a lot. Okay, they are putting on the happy face, but behind the scenes they are going through a lot. So I feel like they are taking the decision. They are on the verge of taking a decision. Okay, they will take the decision, Aquarius, because they are changing as a human being. They are transforming and they are going through a lot. They are going through a lot, maybe emotionally or mentally in their life. There is something that is happening and that is changing in their scenario, that is changing in their energies, and they are hanged, like they are ready to see ready to see the world in a different direction, in a different zone, with a different perspective. And this guy is surrendering. So it is kind, it is not, it is fine. Let me take a breath. Whew. So I feel like this person is surrendering to the universe completely, because they feel like whatever will happen for the good, will happen for the best of interest for of both the parties. Okay, so that is why this transformation, this surrendering to the universe, and this decision making behind the scene, this is happening. But all they want from you is happiness, Aquarius. Okay, the sun, and behind the scene this is going on. They are on the verge of taking a decision. They have took the decision, but they might be waiting for the right time to do that. Okay, Aquarius. And they have changed a lot. They are changing a lot from within. And they are like changing into a very very spiritual being, a mature being, a helpful being. So whatever it is, there is something else also going on in their life that is stressing them out a lot, and you are pressurizing them to have this commitment thing, and that is why they are very 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 stressed about this particular thing. And that is why maybe they are not talking to you, or there is blockage in the communication. Okay, so all they want is happiness from you, Aquarius. So what to expect from this person till 10th of May? Five of Cups. Missing you, stressing over you, losing their sleep over you. Okay, but I don't feel them coming towards you and talking to you and saying and giving you this commitment that you are desperately waiting for, Aquarius. Please release this control, please release this control, Aquarius. This is not the right time for them also. I feel like this person is going through a lot. I'm not taking anybody's side here. I'm not taking anybody's like personal space here. Personal, it is your personal choice, it is your free will. If you want to stress over this situation, just stress over it. But as a tarot card reader, as a healer, as a healer as well, I just want to tell you people, Aquarius, just release the control. Give this person some time, might be 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. Give them space. I feel like eventually they will come back to you and they will talk to you about this particular thing. So I feel like you are pressurizing them a lot, you're stressing over this particular thing a lot. Might be you are also going through some kind of pressure in your life, and that is why you are doing like this. But trust me, pressurizing yourself or pressurizing somebody, that is not going to work out, not at all. This is like forcing somebody to do what they don't want to do. This is the thing, Aquarius. So basically I don't feel like this person coming towards you by 10th of May or telling something to you. But this person is hell lot of this person is going through hell lot of negative energies, and they are missing you very much. They are stressing over you, losing their sleep over you, nostalgic. They're going through a roller coaster of emotions right now, and this is making them feel like shit. And you can make this person come out of this shit, and yourself as well, Taurus, by talking to this person honestly, just like a friend. I feel like you guys should start with a friendship again, and give space and time to each other. So let's clarify the Five of Cups. Why are they behaving like this as an outcome? The Tower, and the Seven of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups. Yes, They are completely shattered, they are completely broken, they are waiting on you, they are just waiting on you. They feel like they have done everything that they could do possibly to, communicate with you, to talk to you, to make you understand, but now they are just waiting. Now they are fed up. Now they have realized that I have done a lot from my side, I'm not going to do anything from my side now. I feel like they have offered you some kind of love proposal as well. I don't feel like they have offered you some kind of commitment proposal or some kind of long term proposal, but they have told you that they have feelings for you, and right now this is not the right time to commit or or do anything like that. So basically that is why this is the behind the scene of this missing you, and taking a break from you and turning their back towards you. So Aquarius, this is what is happening. So they are turning their back towards you. They are missing you. They are missing you a lot, missing your energy, missing your presence, because now they're shattered, completely shattered. Now they have suddenly realized that they have done a lot of things for you. Now they have given lots of energy to this particular connection or to this particular thought or thing, and they have told you that they love you. They are just, might be, they are just waiting for the right time to come to you. Okay, Aquarius, I feel like from their side this is not the right time to commit. This is not the right time to be in a relationship, to be in a committed relationship, or to marry somebody. So this person is going through hell, Aquarius. This person is going through hell. I feel like on the surface they are behaving that they are very calm and happy and they are busy doing their stuff, and others can't tell, but you can sense it that this person is not happy without you and they are going through hell. Emotional hell. This is, take a break. I'm telling you, Aquarius, just take a break. I'm not telling you to not to talk to this person. Just take a break. Give them space. Give yourself some space. Do some kind of healings. So let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck as a guidance, you can say, or as a message. What's coming towards Aquarius till 10th of May? Hand of cards. Take a chance, risk, being strategic, not showing hand. So I feel like the universe wants to tell you, take a chance with this person, but right now back off and give space to each other. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, let me show you the bottom of the deck. This is the Eight of Cups energy. This person is walking away. So I feel like you both should walk away for the time being from each other. Let's give it some kind of break. Take a break. Yeah, Aquarius. So thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Namaste. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below how it resonates with you. If this is your story, everything will be okay. Just, it is just a matter of time. This person loves you a lot. They have lots of feelings for you. But right now I feel like this is not the right time to pressurize them or pressurize yourself for something that is not happening. Don't I mean pressurize something or someone to commit to you. Just let this flow. Okay, if this is meant for you, this will come to you definitely. So thank you so much. Namaste.